I hope you enjoyed this project with the electrical bike design and also being introduced to sculpting your surfaces with subdivision surface modeling and then bringing that over into Alias through a Maya polygon to NURBS converter and see that specific parts or certain shapes are simply very easy to be done with polygon modeling and then transferring that over into a perfectly matching NURBS surface. Then, for example, trying to rebuild a complicated shape like my handlebar or the fork only with NURBS surfaces, which to a certain degree, of course, is possible, but will require a tremendous more amount of work time or labor to get the same results. And also keep in mind that this is not necessarily a 100% alternative or replacement for Alias, but just see it as an addition to your modeling workflow so that when you know you need to trim something or blend or fillet, make precision work, then maybe Alias in general will be the better task. But if you need to sculpt something, which is very complicated and organic, maybe give then subdivision surface modeling with Blender or any other polygon program that can model that way a shot and combine both techniques basically inside your workflow. Because at the end, it doesn't really matter, technically speaking, how you create your design or your surfaces. What is very important is what you will end up with. And there also the industry is adapting to new possibilities and changes. And I see personally simply the beauty in taking whatever you have, see it as a tool, and try to see how you could incorporate that into your workflow. And for example, this type of subdivision surface modeling is also integrated into engineering programs like CATIA or SolidWorks. So even there, you have this dual approach of NURBS surfacing and polygon surfacing. But the nice part about SolidWorks or CATIA is it is actually both in just already inside one workflow in one application. So even the engineering part of industrial design is aware of this type of sculpting and also adapted to it. Because in case it wouldn't have any value to it, then the software companies wouldn't write the tools to incorporate that type of digital clay modeling into the engineering programs.